Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another brand new video. I hope that all of you are pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am doing great with my two younger brothers, and they are a student and they are interested to make a video with me by English language, and I am here with them to make this video, and they all are really so excited. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, today in this video, I'm going to ask them some question. Hope that they will give me the whole answer of all questions. At first, how are you, brother?
I am fine.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, that's great. And at first, I'm going to ask all of you some basic question. Are you ready to answer my all question? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Aryan.
Aryan. What's your name?
My name is Abdullah.
Abdullah. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
9 years old. Great. Where are you living?
I live in Jetomra, Mullabari.
Where are you living?
I live in Jetomra, Mullabari.
Which class are you reading?
Which class are you reading? I reading in class 3.
3. Great. Which class are you reading?
I reading in class 3.
3. Great. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject math.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English.
English. That's great. And what is your roll number?
My roll number 15.
15. Great. What's your roll number?
My roll number 20.
20. That's great. And what's your school name? My school name is?
My school name is Potibha Kindergarten Pra.
What's your school name?
My name is
My school.
school name Potibha Kindergarten.
Okay, great. That two are reading Pratibha Kindergarten, class 3, and that's amazing. They are really doing fantastic. They are ready to introduce them in English. It's a great. I'm really impressed to listen them, and they all are really doing great. All of you pray for them. Okay, I don't want to make it more longer. I am really feeling glad to listen them this type of English sentence. Okay. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.